Yunfu WAYON Stone Company Limited was established in 1998, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of artificial stone, marble, and granite. We are located in Yunfu City, Guangdong Province, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment including Italy's CIMAC automated production lines, Italy Donatoni cutting machine. Our factory current production capacity is 50,000 square meters per month. We design and product according to the customer's target price, and we have established our quality control system to meet our customers' request. Also, we keep improving our delivery efficiency. The products we make are very cost-effective and of quality guarantee. In addition, we have passed ISO 9001-2015 certification issued by CRC and obtained Green Guard Gold grade by UL. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are expecting your kind attention. Our goal is the same quality with the lowest price, the same quality with the lowest price, the same price with better quality. Welcome to visit our company and wish to cooperate with you.